Welcome to Bratislava, Slovakia. Thank you, boss. Middle of the day on Thursday, Slovakia. We found a guy on a horse. Michael's Gate. Photography. Local policia. Old city. No fountain. Villa. It was good.
Freaking beer is cheaper than water.
Water prices. Successful transaction. Slovenský народный будитель. I found water. Dunai River. Yet again. Partizanum. Viking. And we have a UFO bridge. Hotel Grazia. We have a Bratislava castle. Freaking Riviera in Bratislava. Saint Martin Cathedral. The more you know. Up the stairs we go. It's a long walk. Gates of heaven.
Bratislavský hrad.
Bratislava castle. Svetopluk on a horse. Hello. That's the inside of it. Колодец. Zero humans. The views are great. Not much of a fountain. Train is coming. It's comfy. Понеделок, уторок, среда, четверток, пяток, суббота, неделя. Trying to steal the coin. Eurovia. There's the guy downstairs. There's more. To get to the men's section, you need to take rainbow stairs. Party! We have a Spanish party. Another day in Bratislava. Going back to the streets. Something happened. We have a faculty of chemical and food technology. I believe they done learning things and ready to get a job. Good luck everybody, make the food better. It's a loud church. We're going onto the bridge. UFO. I don't have 12 euros. I'm super slave. I got myself some Slovakian water. Freaking European cups, eh? I'm gonna take a look at abandoned hotel. USSR. Church. Hotel with the circle. Unfinished. Spiderman. Новый день. That's the back side of it. I bet they do something in it. Like in Cairo, but with no people. Freedom Square. Square is very busy. It's like a pool activities in a fountain. It is 35 degrees though. Upside down pyramid of Slovak radio. Planet of Peace fountain. And we have a presidential palace.
Ja Ci, Panie Boże, dziękuję za każdy moment, za ten nowy dzień.
Night time in Old Town. Hello darkness, my old friend. Lots of mosquitoes. Another day in Bratislava. And today I'm going to see War Memorial of some sort. Slavin. That's where I'm going. White House of Slovakia. We have a lady on a horse. Maria Theresia. Lots of people killed. And I've seen enough. We have ourselves a market. Some food. That's about it. Saturday night. Let's see what's going on in Bratislava. We have an umbrella street. This is incredible.
Cycle to Jamaica.
Let's go Jamaica. Ferrari spotted in Bratislava. And very nice one. Tomorrow we leave. We have a beach. And that's the end of it. Farewell, Bratislava. Got myself a ticket to the airport. My trolley bus.
Nasleduje konečná zastávka.
Bratislava International. I'm way too early as usual. Got some military movement. Goodbye, Bratislava.